ether. The ether, it hurts my lungs, but it's sometimes it helps when the pain's so bad and the pain pills don't work. The pain is really bad right now. I started having the bleeding yesterday from my intestines. Pain's been unbearable. Pain pills, they don't even help sometimes. So I breathe the ether to try to knock me out. But then it hurts my lungs and makes my asthma bad. So I just can't win. I can't sleep because the pain's so bad. I don't know if I'm gonna get out of here. I'm too sick. And the scientists, all they do is look at the mental problems. They don't look at all the physical problems, all the pain, all the sickness. You know, it's like a deck of cards. My health is like a deck of cards. And the aces are the mental health problems and the abuse. And when they look at me, all they see are the aces on the top. They don't see the ones underneath. Like, it's the king of spades that keeps jabbing at my insides and my abdomen, making everything hurt and bleed. But they don't see him. All they see is those aces, those mental problems, those abuses. They don't see all the other ones underneath. All those physical problems that are really the ones that are hurting me. Scientists, they don't look. They just know what they study and they don't see beyond it. They just look at what's on the top. They look at the person. They look at me. They see that I'm quiet. And I'm different. And they say, she's got aces. She's nothing but aces. There's nothing wrong with her but the aces. Look no further. They don't see the pain, and they never will. never will. No one cares. I swear it'll kill me. No one will care. 'Cause those aces are on top. And I can't change that. I can't go back and change that. I can't shuffle the deck. Once they're there, they're there. And you can't change it. Sad, isn't it?